Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Tubi account. Keep watching the video till the end to sign up for your Tubi account. Firstly, go ahead and launch your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Tubi. And make a search. You're going to see the official page of Tubi displayed on the screen. Click on the register option at the top right corner of the screen. You can sign up for your Tubi account through your Google, Facebook, or email account as well. Here, I'm going to register via email. Now, enter your first and last name and your email address. Create a password for your Tubi account. Select your date of birth and gender, and tap on Register. This is how you can register for your Tubi account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.